Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Glow with Vidhi. Today I'm going to make a glow boosting mask which treat your pigmentation, dark scars, and it just brighten up your skin. So we need besan, which is called gram flour, and sugar, honey, and rose petals powder. So we will mix all the ingredients into the bowl and make a smooth paste. So we just let it for about 4 to 5 minutes, so every ingredient just dissolved easily. And after that we will just mix it thoroughly and make a smooth runny paste which can easily apply on your face, and just apply on clean face and let it for about 15 minutes and you are just good to go.